Hello, my name is Dace. This is episode number 25 of Shift Your Habits, and today I want to share with you one simple technique which you can use immediately if you are feeling you are even in this, if you are went in this sad or helpless state, and you know that you can't solve that situation now, but you are still thinking about it and spending a lot of energy and realizing that you can't change, you become more and more sad about it. You can make a shift, and the shift can be done as follows. Say good words to someone, kind and good words. Do something good to another person. Smile at something, at someone. You never know what your smile will mean to someone you will met in your day, and maybe it will make not just his day but even his whole week, maybe whole month. And when we are doing those kind things to others, like smile, kind words, actions which help another people. I don't know, if there's someone elder, you can pick up his heavy bag, help him to carry this heavy products he has bought, and for some of your neighbors, for example. And by doing these small activities and making these small tiny things, you are shifting your perception from focusing on your problem, which you can't solve, and so of course it will take you down, and it will not allow to feel you good, and to get back to this inner strength and to this positive state. Do something good for another without expecting anything from him or her. Smile, say something good, give a helping hand if you know and if you see that it's necessary. Feel it in your heart and follow your heart, and I can promise that you will experience immediate improvement in your mood. Your inner state will become brighter and your inner strength will increase again. Don't focus on something you can't change. Focus on what you can do. But if you really want to shift your state instantly, do something good for another person, for someone else, spreading this love which is living inside of you, spreading this kindness around you, and simply doing good things. And what you do to others, as you know, you do to yourself at the same time. And I'm really grateful for your follow here, for your reviews about what I'm doing, and I invite you also to visit my website shiftyourhabits.com to get inspiration. There's a lot of valuable information, especially in blog posts. You can read a lot of valuable things about how to become inwardly free, how to become free of fear, and to follow your dreams. So thanks for watching. It was that of Shift Your Habits. It was episode number 25, and thank you for being here, for watching, and let's meet in next videos again. Bye.